Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Getaways. Today in this video, I'm going to oil cleanse my face for half an hour and see what the outcome is. Now before proceeding with the oil cleansing, I want to show you my texture of the skin up close. Now this will help you to understand the results which I get at the end. So now I'll be starting with my oil cleansing method, and for that I'm using a pure cold pressed rosehip oil, and I have this extra virgin sweet almond oil with me. So I'm using a blend of two oils, and I'm going to use it in half ratio. Like I'll be using 10 drops of rosehip oil and 10 drops of sweet almond oil. So let's prepare the oil first. So approximately this is the amount of oil I'm using, and then let me first apply the oil. I think this 10 drops of both the oils are more than enough for my face. Now I'll be setting the timer. Okay, so let me set the timer. Start. So it's just that you have to massage your face with this oil, and I'm going to massage my face for 30 minutes now. I'm quite nervous because I hope that I don't have pimples or acne after this oil cleansing. You don't really have pimples or acne after oil cleansing, but you need to use the right oil. So the oils that I have used today, like sweet almond oil and rosehip seed oil, I have dry and pimple prone skin, so that is the reason I selected these two oils which are not comedogenic. And rosehip seed oil is something which I use every day, like daily. I use that as my facial oil after taking a bath. So till date I have not had any adverse reactions after using the rosehip seed oil, so that is something like I can use safely on my skin. And sweet almond oil, sometimes I use it on my facial masks and stuff, so like the DIYs which I use. So this oil also had no adverse reaction on my skin. So I've done only 3 minutes of massage, but still now nothing has really come out of my face. Like I'm expecting lots of oil plugs, sebaceous filaments, but nothing has really happened till now. Alright guys, it has been like 10 minutes and still there is no sign of any oil plugs, and I'm really kind of disappointed because I've seen videos where they only take like 2-3 minutes to take out that first oil plug. But let's see, let me do it for more 5 minutes and see if I can find at least one oil plug. Guys, it has been like 20 minutes and I have got my first oil plug, but it is so tiny. I don't know if you will be able to see it. So guys, a lot of oil plugs are really not coming out, but what I can feel is like the first when I started my massage, my oil cleansing, my skin was feeling really smooth, but now that I'm massaging my skin is feeling really textured. I can feel stuffs on the surface of my skin, so I'm sure those are only the oil plugs, and they are really tiny. Let's see if I can take out any more oil plugs to show you. I've seen people doing oil cleansing and they have so many oil plugs out on their hands, and they have those pictures on the thumbnails, but I'm not sure. बस एक ही मिला, and the others, like whatever I'm feeling on the surface of my skin, they are so tiny that ये भी बहुत ही मुश्किल से I could take out. Okay, so it has been like 30 minutes and I'm stopping the stopwatch. So guys, I'm done with oil cleansing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my towel in warm water and I'm going to rub the excess oil with it. So let's do that first. Guys, after rubbing off the excess oil, I can't tell you how smoother and how softer my skin is, feeling right now. I know I couldn't pull out those oil plugs and stuff, but I'm totally impressed with the results, and I'm surely going to do it more. I'm going to try it again. And one thing I need to tell you that after rubbing off the excess oil, my skin is not at all feeling any greasy or oily. In fact, it's feeling fresh and clean. And now what I need to do is I need to apply a good serum or a moisturizer. So guys, let me just wait for some time, and I'm going to give you the final review tomorrow, that whether I have any reaction on my skin or not, whether I have pimples or acne popping up. So I need to wait for one day to see the result. So I'll be updating you tomorrow. So guys, this is the second day, and as you can see, there is no reaction on my skin, no adverse reaction on my skin whatsoever. And yesterday, like after oil cleansing my face felt really soft and supple for like the whole day. And one thing I really need to tell you guys is that today in this video, what I've done is I've oil cleansed my face for 30 minutes. But that is not what you are supposed to do. This was just an experimental video. But if you oil cleanse your face, it's better that you oil cleanse your face for like maximum 10 minutes. And you are supposed to use the correct oil according to your skin type. Please do check the description box where I'll be mentioning the correct oils for different skin types, so that can really help you out. And another thing that you should keep in mind is that you always need to double cleanse your face every time you oil cleanse to remove makeup and dirt. That is, oil cleanse your face first for 10 minutes and then use your normal facial cleanser which you use. And this you have to do to get rid of all the excess oil and all the dirt and makeup that you have finally removed with the help of oil cleansing. So with that, I come to the end of today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such contents, and I'll meet you again in my next video very soon. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.